In this video, I'll be giving you the best free trial you can get with Skool. To apply this deal, go ahead and click the link in the description down below, which will give you a 14-day free trial for Skool. Once you click the link, it should say that you get a 14-day free trial, and afterwards, you do have to pay $99 per month. Of course, you can cancel this at any time, and there are no hidden fees at all. Since you clicked my link, you will be referred by me. The first thing you need to do is give your group a name. This can be anything. Once you've done that, go ahead and put in your card information, then click Start Free Trial. Once you have logged in, you should be taken to a page similar to what I'm currently on. This is the dashboard for the Skool community. Next, to quickly set up your community, you can use a custom GPT. I'll also leave the link to this custom GPT called Skool Architect in the video description. This GPT is specially designed to help you with your community setup. It can help you create an About Us page, craft your community posts, structure your courses, etc. Simply ask it for help, and it will simply ask you a few simple questions. And based on your inputs, it will craft all the necessary content for your community. With Skool, you can build your own online community and host online courses. You can build an online learning ecosystem for your community with members, and Skool also lets you monetize online courses with membership subscriptions. It's a great way to broadcast a course to many of your members that you can potentially build within your community. It's a very simple platform, and using it is very easy. Again, I highly suggest checking out this custom GPT, so you can easily set up your community. Thanks a lot for watching my video. And if you are interested in a 14-day free trial with Skool, there will be a link in the description down below. Hopefully, you found this video useful, and I hope to see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.